So what we got here is a timing guide failure on a 2010 LR4 with the 5-liter V8. So when it came in, this plastic portion of this timing guide, you see, is not firmly attached to its backing plate here, and you can slide it. Well, when it came in, it was clear down there, as far as it can go. Slipped clear off. It had bottomed out right down there, and so what that left you with was actually metal on metal right here. And man, it was making a racket. Now, let's see if I put my hand here. So all I've done basically is just push that back up for now, but you can see where the little clips here that would have held it in place have actually broken off of the timing guide itself. Now, the mirror image timing guide over here, well, not quite a mirror, you can see it is also broken off on these keepers, and the plastic pieces slid clear down, and you can see it coming out right here. And it's kind of wedged in there so hard I can't actually push it back with my fingertip. So if your 5-liter V8 Jag Land Rover engine is making some funny noises on startup, or rattling noises in general from the front, that is probably what's happened.